So guys, I'm going to do a video on what the deck is looking like, that it's overcrowded now. Those are flowers and some herbs from winter sowing. Got a lot of stuff going on. These are some winter sowing stuff from last year that I never took out of the containers, and it came back. Let's see, some lavender. That's chrysanthemum. That's hollyhock, it says, but I know that is chamomile in there. This is Rudbeckia, but that is not Rudbeckia. I don't know what that is. This is baby's breath. We got here calamine, Shasta daisy. This is my lemongrass I started in the house. Sweet peas. Those are some hostas. Those are the strawberries coming back. That's some kind of iris. I don't know where I did my label. These are more flowers that I started, but it is getting really crowded on this deck where I'm losing the space to walk. Back there are ginger and turmerics that I started. Strawberry roots. Those are some other kind of bulb. I have no idea. Nasturtiums, lupines, zinnias, asters, marigolds, bachelor buttons, petunias, some kind of mix, cornflower. What is this? That says Canterbury bells. Those are all types of marigolds. What is this? There's Johnny Jump, Viola, poppy, lupine, calendula, African daisy, sunflowers that I started. Yeah, look like weeds coming up, but okay. I think that's it. I better double check that, but that doesn't look like. I don't remember that looking like that. That's the Velvet Queen. I actually don't remember what the seedlings look like, but some of the sunflowers popping up, some of the veggies, the green stuff that I still haven't got out yet, just because we still had a couple of days of goofy weather, but I'm running out of time now. Herbs, all types of herbs up here. Herbs. First wave of peppers I already pulled out of the indoor row box. Some fruit, blueberries, fig over there, 2 raspberries. This is a blackberry. These are elephant ear plants. I can't think of the technical name for it right now. Anyway, these are either cucumbers, melons, corn, more herbs, more flower buds. The last of what I sowed, some okra, amethyst, and some peas. So I said there's a lot of crowdedness over here. Jeez. It's like I just finished my grid. I'm mapping out where everything will go. These are my perennial herbs. Sage is flowering, thyme is flowering. Lemon balm is just now trying to come back. Over here, this is peony. This is Lobelia. That's a dahlia. And I think those are calla lilies. So, real busy time this next couple of days. And of course, I got all kind of invitations to parties and stuff like that. But I gotta map my time out. So, hope everybody's doing well and your gardening is doing well. See you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.